He just beating him with it. Why is they going to the back? Oh my God, never really. This is crazy as ever, man. Last time. Get out of my way! Last time we went to the back, ladies and gentlemen, it was deadline, and it was a Falls Count Anywhere match. But I don't think this is a Falls Count Anywhere match. Oh! Right. Whoa. 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 Tap. Is he gonna tap? Is he gonna tap?
Chapel.
1, 2, 3. And you're new WCCW World Heavyweight Champion.
Tell the monster, good match. What?
Ladies and gentlemen, now we shall celebrate the win of the Guardian Angel, the new CCW champion. Yes. CCW. Guardian Angel, can we have a word with you? That seemed like a very, very hard-fought battle out there. How was it facing the monster on his debut match?
Man, it was a lot. The monster, I give it to him. He's a great wrestler. I'm barely breathing right now. I feel that he took me to a new limit. He took me to...
Yes, I feel that he took you to a new limit. Yeah. He deserved it.
So is this a new truce between you guys?
Is it? Well, I think we need to go one more time.
So next week, who's going to win?
I don't know. Just made a bad feeling.
This time, for the first time, we're going at it in a respect match. I respect you, or you respect me. And hell, you deserve it.
He runs it. I'll run it.
I think he deserved it. He could beat that whenever it was just here. Something, I don't know what was that, but I think he deserved it. Hell, give him another hand.
Yeah.